Okay, and now I am checking that what is this my front field situation. And now when I move that, I can see that this my field is moving. Look, this area in there, and this is bad situation. Look in that area. In there, when we look closer, that gap. Okay, and now it seems that this my car's control arms and something else is damaged because this movement is so big. Okay, and then I take this my wheel away, and next we check that what part is burn out, and let's look what happened next. Okay, and then how I can do this emergency repair in this my car's control arm. If I notice that there is this elastic material, it is totally away, and that's this front strut and this brake disc area is moving in that way, in this way. Now we can look the total, and then we can also check that how much there is this tolerance in this second in here, and there is also now this tolerance in here. Okay, this is also bad. Okay, and now I am planning to add in there this elastic glue, and there is this my glue, and I am planning to add this glue in that hole in here, and this glue, this makes this like emergency repair. And it happens so that I take this my tool, and then I insert this my glue in here, and then I add in that area, I add this my black glue in there, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and now I planned to add this my glue, and I add that in through that upper area in this way, and then I use my finger and I press that glue in there, and then more in this way, and so much that glue that it fills that area totally. Okay, good. And now it looks good. And then I let this glue to dry like 1 or 2 days. Okay, good. Then I can add also this glue in this down area also. But this is like emergency situation. Now I can even move it a little bit. There is now all areas glue. Okay, and this is like emergency repair. Okay, good. Okay, now we can see that glue is in all areas. And then I let this my repair to dry at least 1 day. Then I add this my glue also in that second area in here also. Okay, that kind of information. This is like this emergency repair. Okay, now this my glue adding. It is finished, and now we can look my result. And there is a lot of this glue in this up area and also in this down area also. I added in also in here this glue, and then the second area, it is also full of glue. And now I am waiting this glue drying, and it takes time about 2 days, 1 to 2 days. And then, my friend, this repair is okay if I live in some desert or in Africa, in some non-popular area where is no any other people. But this repair, this is not suitable for like in US states and not in America driving. That only we can use that kind of repairs when we drive in our private roads and private areas. And this is not also legal in Europe in these public roads, but in private roads this repair is okay. And this glue is excellent quality, made in Switzerland, Sika brand. And let's look next at how it works. And thank you, my friend.